Yo, what's good with your boys, man? DRELAMARR here with another winner today, man. I'm gonna show you guys the LEDs, get y'all in depth on the LEDs and what they do inside the LS 430. Ooh, that got real dark. But before we do that, you know me and you know my type, you know what I'm gonna say. Smash that like, hit the subscribe, get ready for the vibe, man. I'm feeling like we need some tint on this thing, man. It's a little dry, but really the main reason, somewhere up in there, my damn tint is catching on this window. So I'm gonna shoot over to the tint man and see can he get my window right and maybe add a banner to the front window. So yeah, rock with me. So while we're riding over here to this tint shop, I figured I'd just go ahead again, give my followers a little update on myself and where I'm going with the build and where I'm going with the channel. So first of all, a little update about myself, or just a little info on myself, basically to let you guys know about who I am and what I'm about. Basically, as you see, the channel is self-titled DRELAMARR. My name's DRELAMARR. 35-year-old man, father of one, work a regular 9 to 5 at a company you may know. As for now, the Lexus, let's get down to the car stuff. With the Lexus, I plan on, right now I have coilovers on the way for it, so we can go ahead and drop it down. And I'm kind of on the fence because I kind of already put in that order for the extremes, and I just recently found an air riding kit for about $800 more. So I'm kind of thinking, like, would it be worth it to go ahead and drop it all the way down with the air? So if you think I should use air and instead of the coilovers, leave a comment down below. Let me know if I should go ahead and get the air instead of coilovers. So that's where I'm at with that. As far as performance upgrades, I'm not really doing any performance upgrades with the LS 430s. I don't really see it as that type of car. Yes, it has a V8 in it, but I don't take it as I'm trying to make it fast. However fast Toyota made it, I'm gonna go ahead and trust them on it. I'm not wasting my time with a cold air intake. It's probably gonna rob the power. These cars are really picky with that type of stuff, so I'm not even gonna mess with it. It's not that type of car. So this is a cruiser. This is about enjoy yourself, relax, and you know, sit on this soft leather, man. It's like a sofa, man. Enjoy yourself, man. Open the sunroof, man. Heated, cool seats, man. Enjoy the vibe. This ain't about going fast, even though I can't seem to slow down. So with that being said, rims. The situation with the rims is I live in a crappy area. As you see, people broke in my car just to steal my ashtray. So it's serious. So I'm not gonna invest in rims on this car until I move to a different area. So I will have to come outside and see my damn car sitting on bricks. Alright, I made it to the tint shop and look what I ran into. A Z06. This thing need a little work, but still a Z06. Got the bench down there. Got one of these G things sitting right here. Looks like a little Polaris or something. Yup, Polaris. Headed to the tint shop. Never seen one of these up close. This shit clean. Sitting on them. Yes. Here's the finished product, man. The car's all done. Fresh banner on it. Hit up that passenger window. Look as good as new.
Perfect.
right, so that's it for today's video. We got the window banner on, looks great. Got my window fixed over here. The guys took a good care of me over at Signature Image. Other than that, LEDs are working great. Guys, leave a comment down below if you think I should go with a blacked out roof. That's my next idea. I was looking at the roof and I'm like, it wouldn't look too bad blacked out. So leave a comment down below if you think that'd be a good idea if I go ahead and black out the roof. Let me know. Other than that, that's it. Smash the like, hit the subscribe. We out.